how are we going? As you can see, it's now dry, it's dull compared to the shine. What we're going to do now is go through the sanding stage again, using just a coarse sander, depending on how coarse it is. This is around about the
180, 240.
Alright, I'll just sand a little bit. Now you saw how quick and easy that was. If you come this side, now also if it's flat like this, what I've also learned is just with your trowel you can actually now if you come back around this side again, see how that burnishes up. But what we're going to do today is we're going to sand it. Now, as you can see, you can hardly see any trowel marks in this at all. But once we sand it, come around this side. Can you see all the trowel marks in it? Now what we're going to do just quickly is obviously I would sand this to the required sort of texture you want. You can leave the trowel marks in, or you can get it flat like this one, completely flat like if it's a sheet of aluminium. So just with a quick mop. Now if you come in really close, you can see, because this is a flat sander, you can see still around the dark edges where the sander hasn't got, because it's got the flat surface. This is when we use a softer pad that can actually get in them grooves and come round them grooves and follow. So with this, go on in, see how it's got all that dark edges where it was like this before. Now it's got all the dark edges, but you've still got the texture in there. Now I'm going very quickly through this. Obviously you spend a bit more time. 300 pad, 3000 pad. Now, this is where we get to the point where, however flat you want it to be, how textured you want the finish to be, how dirty you want it to look, how raw you want it to look, or how smooth and industrial you want it to look, how rough you want it to look, it's totally up to you now. As you can see now, if you come over this side, have a good look at that, you see the shine already we got. So obviously, just quickly, and I've only spent about a minute or two just showing you today, this is the effect that you can get straight away, how quick, how hard, in one day. You apply it, mixed it, applied it, let it dry, sanded it, buffed it, shined it, all in one day, gone. See you later. Thank you.